Hey, I'm here to ruin the beginning of your week instead of the end of your week. I mean, you asked for it. I put a poll up on Twitter and on YouTube, and everyone was like, yeah, let's do a video on Monday. So this is on you guys. Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. Hopefully I remember how to do these kind of videos, but here's some social media stuff, and you can subscribe to the channel too. And that's really all there is for me to say at this time. It's been a while since I've done one of these videos, so I'm definitely rusty. Hello, pals. We're back with Beater Box today special. Today is special. Today is Beater Box Monday. It's something I haven't done for a couple of years because 2 boxes a week is too much. This box comes to us from Supremacy, just like every other box. And just so I don't have to answer any questions in the comments, Supremacy has a membership for these, and the membership is closed, so you cannot buy them. So unfortunately, you have to watch me ruin the idea for you. This box was $1,075 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $1,125, right? Yes, math is fun, kids. Clarence! At least someone listens to me around here. Let's open the box. Funny thing about Spain, people over there generally wear only Asics and Puma, which was a little surprising for me. I saw one pair of Dunk SBs the entire time I was there. It was someone wearing a pair of Travis's, aside from the Chicagos I was wearing, but that was kind of cool. All right, so there is one pair of loose shoes in here. It's an okay shoe. It is worn, and it is a size US men's 10. I think these are the hospital blue Yeezy 700s. But much like other Yeezys and most Adidas stuff, it's monochromatic for the most part. It does have a black outsole, which is in actually really good shape. There's no discoloration on the boots. There's just a couple like stones and stuff in here. So these are worn pretty lightly, and size 10 is an okay size. Not a great size, but from what I understand, 700s are mega comfortable. So here's your first shoe out, a size US men's 10, hospital blue Yeezy 700 with no box. Hey, if you want to buy those, they'll actually be available on the website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is weird for a Monday. But that website is sbmitch.com. You can check it out if you really want to. Next up, this is never a really good sign. A Nike ID, Nike By You shoe. There's really no market because it's a one of one usually. This is I'm so sorry. This is super mean, but look what it says. This is a size. I'm sorry, I'm so sorry, because that's mean, because there are people out there named Randy, but this says it's Nike by Randy. It's a size US 10. I think it's a men's 10. It looks like an Air Force One. Going by the sticker, it looks like some kind of fragment design looking inspired colorway. So the good part about this is that it is a dead stock pair. This is a size US men's 10 Air Force One By You design inspired by the colorway for the Air Jordan 1 fragment design collaboration. I mean, you just see what it is. I mean, it's literally that. It's kind of cool looking shoe. It's a size 10 and it's dead stock. There's no market for this kind of stuff because it's usually a one of one thing. So there's this shoe. It's a dead stock pair, size 10. Nike by Randy. Good job, Randy. I'm so sorry. If your name is Randy or Randall, I apologize. It's just a really funny name to me. It's like a grade school pair. Says 5 Youth Jordan 4 Retro Grade School. Looks like a newer pair based on the label. Are these DS too? Dead stock pair. Not bad. It's a really great colorway. Size 5 Youth pair of the Tech White or White Oreo Jordan 4. Very good summer colorway, which summer is almost, no, summer's ended. We're in fall now. Dough! But it's a dead stock pair. I know a size 11 is going for about $350 right now, so these might actually be a pretty decent chunk of the value of this entire box, so I can't complain. Plus it's dead stock, so again, can't complain. Size 5 Youth. Oreo, white Oreo 4s. 2 or 3 dead stock ain't bad. What's this? It's a nondescript box. Ah, it's an Adidas. ZX 8000 Lego in a size US men's 8. Okay, so these are dead stock too. Yeah, they're dead stock. It's a size US men's 8. This is the Lego collaboration on a ZX 8000. Is that what I said? Yeah. It's very colorful. That's the one thing going for it. It's got a lot of extra laces, which is pretty cool. I don't really know anything about this model of Adidas because I don't know anything about any Adidas model because I just don't care. This is uncharacteristic for the brand because it's colorful and not monochromatic. So size 8 though, probably not a lot of value. This is definitely probably a throw-in shoe, which, you know, it is what it is. I'm not gonna complain about it. I mean, I am gonna complain about it because I always complain about Adidas, but that's just me. That's the whole brand of the channel. There you go, size 8, dead stock pair. The original box that is in good shape. All right, we got a Jordan 11, Air Jordan 11 Retro size 9 US. This is the Win Like 96 colorway, I can tell by the box. Insert looks good. Shoes themselves are worn, but extremely lightly. There's very little heel drag and very little toe box creasing. There you go. Win Like 96 Jordan 11. No shoe trees, which is a little bit of a bummer, but the shoe itself is in good shape. I mean, you can see there's no creasing on the toe box. They must have been wearing sole protectors or whatever they're called. The outsole isn't, or sole protectors. You know what I mean, those insert things that are uncomfortable as heck that crush your feet. The outsole is just a little bit discolored. There's a tiny bit of heel drag right there, but a significantly less amount than what we would normally see. So these are in good shape. They just need a solid cleanup. It's a size 9, Jordan 11 Win Like 96 with the original box. So that's good. Haven't had to put boxes back together for a long time. I almost forgot how. Okay, there's still 3 more in here. Says 10.5 women's Nike Dunk Low. Supremacy box. Another dead stock pair. There it is. I forget the name of this colorway. I think it's like Easter or like something like that. The official name of the colorway is Light Soft Pink Ghost Lime Ice. But it's definitely Easter looking in my opinion. It's very pastel color. It's a very pastel colorway. Another unworn pair. This is a women's 10.5. which makes this a men's size US 9. So that's actually a good size for something like this if you like this kind of colors, which I personally do, but I know a lot of people don't. But unworn Nike Dunk Low, very good shoe to get in a box regardless of the price. So there you go, size women's 10.5. Nike Dunk Low. Cool. 2 more in here. Air Jordan 1 Mid in a size 13. It's another dead stock pair. This is the Jordan 1 Mid. This is the University Gold, I want to say, but it's not perforated like those other ones that I've had for a while. This is actually a really nice colorway. I mean, it's kind of like a gold toe, yellow toe. Yellow toe. Why can I not say yellow toe? Why am I saying yellow toe? But it's a good colorway. I personally think it's very aesthetically pleasing, and size 13 isn't a bad size for something like this, if you ask me. Leather quality is significantly better than any Jordan 1 Mid that you would have seen 5 or 6 years ago. So there you go, size 13, dead stock pair. And we got one more in here. It is a Jordan 1. Always want to save Jordan 1s for last because they are significantly more hyped than a lot of models. Box seems to be in good shape. We got a US men's 10.5, Jordan 1. Cool, I can get down with this big time. So these are worn. There's a pretty decent amount of heel drag and a little bit of star loss. Good amount of creasing, but overall in pretty decent pre-owned shape. This is a pair of the Bread Toe Jordan 1. This is actually a really great colorway. It does come with the additional laces, which is very good, and it does have shoe trees that are inside of here. So aside from the normal signs of wear, like creasing, some creasing on the heel too, there is some heel drag I said earlier. I'm just gonna pick it up, like right there you can see it, but it's not to the point where you can see the midsole underneath it, which is good. So these are in solid shape, and this is just a really, really great colorway. It's a lot of OG colors on a non-OG colorway, so nothing to complain about here. The biggest selling point of this shoe is the quality of materials is extremely good. It's got that very soft leather that I personally know because I used to have a pair of these. Is very comfortable, especially if you have a wider forefoot, which I definitely do. So there you go, size 10.5. Bread toes. That's your last pair out of this $1,075 Supremacy Beat box. This is an excellent box. Like, Very good condition, lots of really good shoes. Let's see what the numbers say before we make any final call on it though. I don't know what the numbers say, but my gut feeling on this box is very, very positive because I think these are all really good shoes. And the fact there's a lot of dead stock is really good too. So, hey, if you want to buy any of these shoes, they will be available on my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that website is sbmitch.com. Before that happens, all the worn pairs will be cleaned and disinfected with the Reshoevn8r family of products. And if you have a Reshoevn8r order you want to place, before you go ahead and do that, use my code SBMitch10 at checkout because it'll save you 10% on the entire order, and saving money is always a good thing. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. There will be a video this Friday too. So there's kind of 2 beater boxes this week. So we'll see you back again for that one, I guess. Till then, take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. See you later. I was going to say bye, didn't you? Happy Monday.